Jaguar F Type, the official car of that guy. Oh, cool, carbon fiber wheels. Oh. Congratulations, you made a supercharger look like another engine cover. No, no, no. A Honda Civic Type R called. They want their fake vents back. Bye! An SN95 called. He wants his fake vents back. Good to know. Oh. 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 I learned that if it wasn't for that, my shenanigans on the road would have been a very expensive mistake. Oh. I am about to become that guy. Oh. I assure you, sir, it is not a C6. Alright, now I'm on the main road. And as Ryan said, welcome to Florida. Hope you like going straight. And we're doing exactly that. There's a whole lot of buttons and I don't... What's this one with a checkered flag in it?
It's race mode.
What happens if I flick it?
Go ahead.
Okay, exhaust got louder.
Suspension firms up a little bit.
Oh, steering got very heavy. The dash turned red a little bit. And if I press it forward, that's a picture of a wheel with... Oh, raindrops, so that's rain mode. Dynamic mode off. Rain, ice, snow mode confirmed. Well, thank you for confirming that I pressed a switch.
So now if you press the gas, you can feel it doesn't really do as much.
Oh yeah, I just throw torque converter at the problem.
Mm-hmm.
Unless this is some sort of DSG.
No, it's just an automatic.
Okay. Rain, ice, snow mode off. And back down into dynamic mode. The fuel gauge is interesting. It turns on and off as you go through different modes. And when the fuel gauge is turned off, it just shows a percentage like your phone. You have 88% fuel remaining. So if I go back to normal mode, does the exhaust sound any different when I press the exhaust button? Very. That they should just call that the Los Angeles button.
Take a right at the light, and you're going to be straight forever.
Okay.
But it's 60 mile or 65 mile an hour speed limit.
Okay. So in just normal mode, I'm going on Route 1. Can I make a right on Readiness State?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, shit. Sorry, I got loose. And I'm at speed. It pops.
That's in quiet mode.
And I was that guy going through the intersection. Those guys were sitting at the light. Here comes Mr. Cockbag in his Jaguar going, oh, I'm gonna stop. Oh, here I go. Uh-oh, I don't know how to drive it. Oh, man. This would be fun for the airport run, though.
Yeah.
If you just mash and it goes, wah. So, I mean, how does it make you feel, this thing?
I run exhaust open all the time.
You know, one thing I wondered about Florida is it's a place that rains a lot, but why is the grass still brown?
You're in the off season right now.
Oh, okay. It doesn't rain that much in winter?
No, it stops raining like November time frame.
Oh, okay.
Everything goes to shit until about March.
Oh.
And then in March, you get that rain every day, like clockwork at 2 o'clock.
Huh.
So if I'm taking a trip in this car,
yeah,
I'll leave the exhaust shut. But for the most part, when I get in the car, I turn off the auto start stop bullshit.
Yeah.
And I open the exhaust because it's an F Type R.
Yeah.
It's supposed to make noise. It's a supercharged 5-liter. And it's stock, they're 550 horse. This is 620.
Oh. Okay.
It's got a little bit more.
So I noticed since we started, the spoiler came up in the back.
Yeah.
Because I can see the Jag logo facing inward now.
Mm-hmm.
there isn't a way to overdo that. That just stays up. Okay.
Anything over like 60 miles an hour.
Oh, that's the, hey, I'm probably speeding sign.
Yeah.
I think Porsche did that for a while, and then you could disable it, but...
There's a button here for the spoiler, but that's only to wash it. And if you want to wash the spoiler, you press that button. It's the most useless thing.
I wonder what the horn sounds like. Equally British or just sort of a horn?
Kind of lame.
It's a horn. It's not a get out of the way peasant.
But it's pretty civilized. I mean, it's pretty.
What's this knob? Oh, that's seat left and right, or is that my bolstering?
Bolsters.
Oh, that's so nice. See, I was Wait, was that a hiss?
Yeah, that's the air.
Oh, it's air. It's not little motors. I like being hogged.
Then there's this button here, which puts the thing in the middle of your back.
Oh, bolster?
No, lumbar, I think.
Lumbar. Oh, more please. More please. Alright, that's nice. Yeah, I want... Oh, that's as much of bolstering as it's gonna give me. Yeah. Yeah, now the F Type's making more sense as a long distance car. Dial in this seat just perfectly, you're good for 2 hours.
Yeah, I mean, you can drop the seat here or raise it however you want.
Yeah, raise your thighs up a little bit. Circulation keeps moving.
Yeah. I drove it to Connecticut once. It was a pretty miserable experience.
Oh, it was?
Yeah, it was 14 hours.
Oh, did you, oh, you did it straight?
Yeah.
Wow.
4th of July weekend. Yeah, go take the Jag. Yeah, no, never again.
Was it thrifty-ish on the highway?
No, it's pretty horrible gas mileage. It's about 19 to 20 all the time. Whether you own it or whether you just drive in the city. You got a glass roof in these. They all have it.
Oh, that's cool. That's nice. But it's just, it doesn't open. Well, there's nowhere for it to go, so still neat though.
Yeah.